Hi. 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 Hey y'all. So many people have been asking for me to start a YouTube channel, and I'm so excited that I finally I was like, you know what, Taylor? Baby girl, baby boy, here I am. It's crazy that this is even happening right now, that I'm sitting right here with you. You know? Oh my God. I'm just so excited to be sharing my tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. And I'm so grateful for the people who encouraged me to do this. It's been a while, it took a while, but I'm here. We are here together, and we are gonna learn together, and we are gonna do makeup together. I'm ready to do this. So I actually filmed this look that I had created on my Instagram. I recreated it here for you. It's the Friendcation palette by Desi and Katy. Hope you like it. I'm so excited to be here. I will see y'all later. All right, let's get this party started. So I already put my base on, did my eyebrows, foundation, concealer, all that good stuff. So we're just gonna jump right into the video. It is 6 p.m. and I'm drinking coffee. Oh. So it does not matter what kind of look I do. I always have to put some kind of primer underneath my eyeshadow because it prevents the creasing and the fading in the eyeshadow. So this primer that I've used for a few years now is called, it's a paint pot by MAC, and it's in the shade Laying Low. It's technically a creamy eyeshadow, but these are bomb for eyeshadow primers or a base. They're really, really good. And for me, since I have a little bit of discoloration in my lids or on my lids, this kind of helps make the color of my lid even. You'll see, I'll show you. It's kind of hard to explain. Let me show you. I'm taking just a flat brush to kind of put it all over. Wait a minute. Would you like for me to zoom you in, my dear? So it kind of cancels out any discoloration that I have on my lid, and it just makes it a solid color. It's pretty bomb. This bad boy. Ooh. By the way, little tip, if you have any fallout from any eyeshadow, always tap your brush off on your wrist, on your shoulder, on your leg, on your toe, on your finger. If the compact is hard, never tap it off like this, because if you do that, it will create, and I actually created little dents, you can kind of see, it'll create little dents in your brush, and that actually can damage the brush, and over time your bristles will tend to fall out easier. Just a little tip. I'm gonna go on with this guy. Who's testing me? It's my aunt. Just to deepen up the crease a little bit. It's a lot of blending in this, by the way. So now I'm gonna go in with this guy right here, and I'm gonna take the same brush again and just go right in the crease with this as well. Just blend, blend, blend. Deeper brown right here. Oh girl, it's all dirty. To this one. ASMR. This one is more like the crease brush, you know? This is a 217 MAC blending brush. Tap off excess on your arm, and then we're gonna put it on the outer corner, this section right here, and we're gonna kind of blend it up into the crease just a little bit. Right, so we're gonna pat the color on, kind of deposit that color there. Okay, now we're gonna go sideways and then kind of blend up into the crease just halfway. This was actually one of my very first brushes that I bought from MAC because of Crispy. Crispy has this dope technique. She uses it like this, which I don't even know how she does it. I don't know, but she's bomb at it. Doing circular motions more of this, and a little bit more of this brown color right here. Oh, did I even get any? I don't even know. I did. I'm just gonna go right on top of it in my crease, just to add a little bit more warmth. There. So now moving on to the lid color. This color right there. This color I'm gonna put right here in this blank space that we have, starting from the inner corner all the way to the middle. This is a 242 by MAC. This is just a flat one. So for these eyeshadows, I've noticed that there's a little bit of a fallout, so I like to put a paper towel underneath my eye and then pack it on. I'm not gonna spray it with Fix Plus yet, with a spray to make it more intense. I'm just gonna use it by itself, and then we'll make it more intense as we go. So. Taking my Fix Plus spray. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so gorgeous. I'm gonna go put some lashes on and... Okay, so these are the lashes I put on. I've never tried these before, but I always see them in Target and I always hear really good things about them. This is what they are. How do you know the name? I don't know, but this is it. This is the box. And they're pretty nice. I mean, I like them. And so now we're gonna move on to the lower lash line. Brusha, brusha, brusha. So I'm gonna take this brush. It's just like a little, oh, it's a little tapered brush that I'm gonna use for underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna take this color right here on the outer corner and then kind of blend it towards the front of my eye. I'm gonna put this brown one that we put in the crease as well. I'm gonna put it on there. And this deep brown that we put on the outer part of our eyes, we're gonna put that on the outer part of our eye again. I promise it's the last color we're gonna use from this palette. It's this one right here. Just go right on the inner part of your eye with that same little brush. Just a little bit, un poquito pepe. Ooh, there it is. I'm gonna put mascara on my lower lash line, and I'm gonna be using Extended Play Giga Black Lash by MAC. I find that before this one, any mascara that I would use, it always smudge or transfer down here and it would create just like darkness. This one doesn't. This one's really, really good. I'm gonna go in with this lip pencil. It's called Mahogany by MAC. It's in the Patrick Star packaging when he collabed. Now this lipstick that Patrick Star created, whoo-hoo, it's called Mama Star. It's probably my favorite lipstick ever created by MAC, to be honest. Yes, baby girl. Okay, why didn't y'all tell me? It's fine, because it's fun. Anyway, thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you did like it, if you did, do these things right here if you would like to. No pressure, no pressure. If you would like to, I would appreciate that very, very much. And yeah, I will see you in the next video.